Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I have something really cool in store for you. We're gonna make grilled lamb chop karahi. It's a new recipe that I created and I wanted to share it with you guys. We're gonna do it in two steps. First, we're gonna marinate the lamb chops. We're gonna let it rest for about 3 hours. Then we're gonna grill it on my charcoal grill. And we're gonna make the masala for the karahi separately. We're gonna put it all together, put the green masala in, and make this amazing recipe Basant style. Over the basic ingredients really quick with you guys, but no worries, as usual, I'm gonna have everything posted in the description box. We have fresh ginger, green chili, red chili, coriander powder, granulated garlic, salt, black pepper, lemons. Star of the show, I'm using about 5 pounds of center cut lamb chops. They look beautiful. Fresh cilantro, 8 chopped Roma tomatoes, garlic ginger paste, oil, and lemon juice. Guys, ingredients are simple, recipe is super simple, and I'm gonna show you the application, which is even more simpler. But when they come together, it is off the hook. So I'm gonna start with marinating lamb chops. I'm gonna just put them in. I'm gonna use my Cambro measuring cup. I'm gonna use half cup of oil. And we're gonna do half cup lemon juice. Well, a little bit extra doesn't hurt. To season lamb chops, we're gonna keep it very simple. 1 tablespoon salt. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons black pepper. 1, 2. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon granulated garlic. And that's it. You're gonna just mix it in really good. Take your time. So now lemon is the key in this. Lemon is gonna be the one that's gonna start breaking it down, and I'm gonna show you one ingredient, garlic ginger paste. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of it and just mix it in. Make sure lamb chops have it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it. We're gonna let it sit for about 3 hours. You could leave it overnight if you like. I'm gonna show you something really cool. Lamb chops are completely marinated. You can see everything is coated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move them into my Cambro square, where I put it in the refrigerator because the bowl is so big and bulky and literally takes all the space. And with this, hardly takes any space. This is why I love my Cambro squares. Nice, clean, and they're just gonna fit in the refrigerator, not gonna take a lot of space. And now we're gonna make the masala. The lamb chops down. I'm gonna cook them on high heat. You wanna hear that sizzle? That means the grill is ready. I got it up to 300 to 400 degrees. And you can just smell the garlic ginger paste and lemon, and all the cool stuff we put in it. You don't have to constantly flip them. After every 2 to 3 minutes. As lamb chops are done, I want you to see how beautiful they look. And look how tender they are. Wow. Look at the gorgeous grill work on it. And I'm gonna show you this. Look how tender they are. Oh, off the hook. Now let's get the karahi masala ready and finish this awesome recipe. Start off with 1.5 cup of oil. The oil really nice and hot. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. Make sure you put them from the side so it doesn't splash on you. Just work them in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the masala for karahi without meat, because meat we cooked already. So I'm gonna add garlic ginger paste in it. I like a lot of garlic ginger, so I did 3, but you can also do 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna work it in. The thing I love about karahi is the beautiful colors and the seasonings. It's just so vibrant. Just my favorite thing to cook. I'm gonna do 1.5 red chili. If you don't like spices too much, you can do 1 tablespoon coriander powder. I like sharp seasoning. 1 tablespoon of salt. If you need more, you can always add more. And we're gonna do 1 teaspoon black pepper. Just work it in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna break the tomatoes down and we're gonna make it tight. We're gonna stir it, let the wok do its job. And you can also, this is why I love Roma tomatoes. They break down so fast. Look, we just put them in and you can see they're already breaking down. It's gonna be an awesome masala. Keep working the masala, the tomatoes. You can see they're breaking down. You can smell the karahi. This is my favorite step. So this right here is about 75% done. Tomatoes are mostly broken down. You can see oil's coming up on the sides. The steam, these steam bubbles are water evaporating. You want it completely tight, completely broken, oil completely separated from the masala. That's when it's ready. That's when you're gonna put the lamb chops in. Masala is ready. You can see oil is separated. We have a little bit of texture to the tomatoes, which we're gonna finish off after we put the lamb in, because we cooked the lamb chops about medium rare, so we can finish them off in the pan or in the wok. I'm gonna get these juices in too. Take your time, fold it in. Don't rush. You see that? Wow. They're hydrating already. This is it. Grilled lamb chop karahi is ready. And I wish you guys could just smell it. Now I'm gonna add all the green masala or the fresh ingredients. I'm gonna start with cilantro. Add 3 to 4 green chilies if you like. And my favorite, fresh ginger. Fold it all in. Wow, wow, wow. I wish you guys could just smell it. Grilled lamb chop karahi is completely done. You can see the masala is super tight. Oil is separated. I drained extra oil out because we didn't need it in there. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating. This is it, guys. Lamb chop karahi recipe is complete and it looks and smells amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it and smell it. We made the lamb chops medium rare. We made the masala on the side. We put everything all together, added the fresh herbs, and we have this gorgeous karahi. We are serving it with deconstructed salad with tomato, onion, salt, pepper, and lemon. We have basmati rice and my favorite, chapati. Guys, this is the food I love cooking. This is the food I love creating. I would go back when I was a little kid and my pops used to love making karahi. That was our Friday night thing. And that's the thing that I had in mind when I created this dish. I personally love grilled meats. That smoky flavor just does it. And I like them flavors of tight, really very close masalas. And karahi is the one that does the trick. So I wanted to mix the grilling part and the karahi part and make a one dish out of it. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Vasan style. Now time for my favorite part. I'm gonna taste. I like a lot of lemon. Moment of truth. Wow, off the hook. It's so tender. And the flavor off the hook. What's up, stop?